I've got some time on my hands and decided to custom paint my Radiomaster Boxer transparent shell. The one that originally came with my Boxer is black, and I love it, especially after I modded it with those amazing blue LED gimbal rings. But since I have this transparent shell laying around, I thought I should do something about it. Custom paint seemed like a good idea. First, I've masked all the areas where I did not want this paint to touch. I'll tell you the truth, it's rather a tedious task. There's literally 1,000 of little crevices, holes and whatnot. But since I don't like when job is half done, there was no way around it. It had to be done. I've decided to leave two pieces transparent. This external module bay cover. By the way, with this transparent shell, I've also got LCD screen cover, so I didn't have to peel off the existing one from my original black casing. And the other part that stays transparent is this cover for the battery compartment. Our cookie, of course, is interested in everything I do.
Wait.
Once again, unavoidable cookie time.
Cookie.
But eventually, I had to get back to work. This shell will not paint itself. I can't believe I'm still masking those areas. It was too boring even for Cookie. She crashed like an old bridge. For this part of the job, I've decided to use petroleum jelly. Simply applying it over the small areas where I did not want paint to stick. For example, all the lines where top and bottom part of the shell are touching when assembled together. And the most important part are those holes where plastic buttons are resting. If that's not clean and there is paint residue even when it's 100% dry, it might feel sticky, and our buttons might resist when pressed. Of course, we want to avoid that at all costs, so extra work now is way better than having to deal with that problem later. This is the spray paint I've decided to go with. It's called Ocean Mist. It's time to do a nasty part of this job. I spray painted 2 light coats on each shell piece 5 minutes apart. We don't need to soak it with paint. And I definitely didn't want it to drip. Once again, super windy outside. but I found this spot under my backyard deck completely wind-free. The good thing? It was super sunny day, December 22nd, 10 Celsius degrees. This also helped with drying much faster. UV does wonders. I still left it to cure for a couple of hours before taking it inside. What I was doing here is cleaning everything and making sure there is no paint dust anywhere on the outside of the shell. Doing the same here, since it's much easier to see than outside in direct sunlight. I was happy with results. Time to leave it overnight before I get to moving the internals from my black shell. This is the final result. This ocean mist color, kind of a light mint, in combination with black accents, make this controller look way nicer. As I mentioned it earlier, I left this battery cover transparent. Kind of like it this way. External module bay cover too. These gimbal LED rings, they make it look special.
Hello, Seii-FPV. Another flight test together. Yay!
That's it. I'm calling my Boxer different name from now on. Let's see how that looks like when outside in a daylight. Real clean. Thanks for watching.